Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil MiniMo system. The MiniMo is a fantastic personal cook system that weighs in at just 14.6 ounces, but still gives you a 6,000 BTU burner stove with Jetboil's regulator technology and unbeatable simmer control. The big story with the MiniMo is the redesigned cooking cup and handles. It comes with a 1 liter short flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, and as the name suggests, it's shorter and a bit wider than before, so you get a better spoon angle. So that just means it's easier than ever to cook and eat straight out of the cup since you can get more of your spoon in there. The metal handles here on the side are super sturdy and they're insulated so you won't burn your hands. And they really just go a long way towards making this thing really usable. Now the cup itself has this great drink-through lid with a pour spout and a strainer, so you can use it as a cup for coffee or to strain pasta. And the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl, so you have everything you need to make a meal for yourself all right here. So it's the perfect size system for one person, and the flux ring technology on the cup make it really fuel efficient. It'll boil a half a liter of water in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and one of these 100-gram fuel canisters will let you do that 24 times. Jetboil's regulator technology means you can boil water for coffee in an instant and then cook perfect scrambled eggs all on the same stove. So all in all, with the MiniMo, you get an incredible personal cook system. The shorter cup size makes it easier than ever to cook and eat out of the same vessel, and you won't have to sacrifice weight for cooking performance in the backcountry.
Meet the Vasque Breeze 3, our lightest and most advanced fully featured men's, women's, and kids hiking boot. With unmatched out-of-the-box comfort and breathability, it commits more traction to every step, in every condition, and on every trail. It keeps your feet breathing fresh air all day long with high abrasion upper mesh panels, a waterproof Gore-tex membrane, and breathable toe and heel counters. A dual-density, all-terrain midsole provides a new level of comfort and support. Its exclusive Vibram contact grip outsole and Mega Grip high-performance rubber compound work together to make every next step as sure as your last. Added up, the Breeze 3 is stronger, quicker, and wiser than ever, and ready out of the box to take you wherever the trail calls. The Breeze 3 from Vasque. Trust on the trail since 1964.
Hi, I'm Lena with Osprey, and I'm here to talk about the Kestrel Kite series. These packs are designed and built like a true workhorse. This reliable pack will help take your gear off the beaten path. The men's Kestrel comes in 2 volumes, 48 and 38 liters. The women's Kite comes in 46 and 36 liters. Let's talk about what makes these packs so awesome. An AirScape back panel that allows ventilation while keeping the load close to your body. A soft and breathable adjustable harness and sternum strap. A padded mesh hip belt for load support and stability. An external reservoir sleeve. Dual upper reverse straitjacket side compression straps. Dual lower side compression straps, a sleeping bag compartment with a removable floating divider, removable sleeping pad straps, dual tuck-away ice tool attachments, stow-on-the-go trekking pole attachment, a fixed top lid with zippered pockets, a front panel hybrid shove-it pocket, dual stretch mesh side pockets, zippered hip belt pockets, dual front panel daisy chains, and an included removable rain cover for sudden downpours. The Kestrel 48 and Kite 46 also have additional features, side zipper access to the main compartment, and a full-length vertical zippered side pocket. So if you're a person that spends days on end in the backcountry and are demanding of their gear, the Kestrel and Kite is worth checking out.
Women rock and these poles roll for the ultimate trail experience designed with your frame in mind. This pair of Cairn trekking poles features slim profile lightweight tubes made from premium 7075 series aluminum, so you don't have to carry around any extra weight. The cork and EVA foam grips follow suit with a smaller diameter for a comfortable hold that reduces hand fatigue. The extended length EVA foam means you have room to adjust your grip up or down to quickly match variations in the terrain, while these adjustable padded wrist straps provide additional security. Thanks to Kelty Trail Lock technology, these poles are fully adjustable and can be collapsed or expanded between 31 and 49 inches, and then locked confidently in place. Before each use, review the locking mechanism to ensure that the tension nut is achieving proper clamping force. If additional clamping force is needed, gently tighten the nut and you're good to go. The Cairn trekking poles are tipped with non-slip carbide and come with trekking baskets and rubber tips for versatility on any adventure. So ladies, when you're headed out backpacking, hiking, and snowshoeing, hit the trail confidently with the Kelty Built for Women Cairn trekking poles.
The award-winning 2015 Sonic is built to keep you warm, cozy, and protected in variable mountain climates. Sonic brings one of the biggest innovations in cold weather bags in a long time: temperature regulation. Our thermal gills allow you to open baffles to vent body heat at your core without letting drafts inside, making Sonic comfortable when temperatures change. 20D nylon ripstop with DWR shell fabric combined with 850 fill power down provide ultimate protection. Sonic's footbox is constructed with Nemo's waterproof, breathable 15D Osmo fabric. Stretch construction at the knees encourages side sleeping and allows you to easily change positions during the night. An internal oversized draft collar with Velcro closure seals in heat and blocks out the cold. The offset zipper creates a thermally efficient seal. Thanks for taking the time to check out Nemo's award-winning Sonic.
Here we have the men's Torrentshell jacket. Fully waterproof, breathable, H2O performance standard rainwear made with 100% recycled nylon. This is a 2.5 layer jacket made with 100% recycled nylon face fabric. It has a waterproof breathable barrier and a DWR finish to keep you dry. By using recycled materials, we reduce some of our environmental impact. Taking that one step further, this fabric is also Blue Sign approved, which means it offers the highest level of consumer safety by employing methods and materials in its manufacture that conserve resources and minimize impacts on people and the environment. This jacket comes with a two-way adjustable hood with a laminated visor. The hood rolls down and stows using this simple cord and hook. We line the neck with micro fleece that's nice and soft against the skin. The full-length zipper comes with a minimal welt exterior and an interior storm flap. The two work together to create a zipper garage chin guard. This jacket has hand warmer pockets and pit zips under the arms, all with welted exterior storm flaps and DWR treated zippers. The cuffs are made with self fabric and adjust with hook and loop closures. The hem adjusts with a drawcord to keep out the rain, and when the sun shines, this jacket stuffs away into either of its hand warmer pockets, one of which has a carabiner clip-in loop. Waterproof, breathable, and durably built using environmentally minded fabric, our men's Torrentshell jacket is made for one purpose: to keep you dry and comfortable when things get really wet.
Setting the standard for closed cell performance, our Lite sleeping pad is an award-winning favorite for everyone, from thru hikers to weekend warriors. Whether using it solo or paired with another sleeping pad, the Lite provides the essential comfort you need in the backcountry. The 3/4 inch or 2 centimeter thick pad uses dual density foam, a durable foam on the yellow or blue bottom, and a softer, more comfortable silver side for plush support. Using the pad silver side up makes the pad warmer, comfier, and more durable during your adventures. The closed cell pad weighs a mere 14 ounces or 410 grams, making it an easy choice for ultralight ounce counters or anyone who needs durable, lightweight gear. The unique shape of the Lite protects campers from the cold, hard ground, with the original peak and valley design trapping heat and keeping the cold at bay. Pairing this shape with our proprietary thermocapture finish, which reflects heat back to your body, gives the pad a 2.0 R value, making it perfect for mild weather adventures. All Thermarest pads have been tested according to the ASTM R-value standard. As the original folding pad, the Z-Lite sets up instantly at camp or quickly folds up to carry on the outside of a pack. The Z-Lite also makes a great protective layer for air and self-inflating pads while adding extra warmth to any sleep system. Like all Thermarest pads, it's made in market, ensuring quality while reducing the environmental costs of global manufacturing. Light and durable, the Z-Lite provides the essential comfort and warmth that helps backpackers and campers rest better.